Hi everybody, welcome to Cracked Lacquer Nail Studio. I'll be doing acrylic and gel designs with 3D and even 4D sculpting and of course, bling. I will also be sharing some tips for growing beautiful, healthy, natural nails and how to deal with nail product allergies. There will be affiliate links for the products I use in the description box below. Please like and subscribe, and please hit the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. For this video, I'm going to be making a baby boomer, and I'm going to use a kind of a shimmering cover pink over a plain white acrylic powder. And first I'm applying the structure clear acrylic powder just to make sure that the nail is strong. I'm going to put a little bit on the nail plate. Is a habit I have. You don't have to do this with light colors, but if you're going to use a dark color on the nail plate, it's definitely a good idea. So the white, I start with the free edge for baby boomers. You can do it the other way. If it's a dark color, I like to start with the nail plate. Get that dark on there, and whichever way works best. But when you're using light colors, it's a safe thing just to put the white at the free edge first. Then you can pull the lighter color over top of that to create your baby boomer. I'm bleeding this out. I just want to make a strong apex first, and then I'll put some more and drag it down over the white. Place it at as close to the cuticle area as you feel comfortable, holding the nail down, and then you can just add more to the cuticle area. I'm just dragging down a little bit, but first I am going to make sure that that apex is really strong. And the next bead will be added right there, right where the white starts. I'm gonna just touch up over here. I just like to have it even. Maybe I'm a little bit picky. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll be back. I'm just going to add the final application of acrylic. It's just going to be clear. I'm going to bleed it out. Put it right at the apex there. Make sure that's built pretty good. Pat it and pull it down to the edge. See, if you have that bead dry, then it enables you to pat and pull a lot easier. I've been in a hurry and put it on too wet, and I just like it better when I bleed it out. Make sure you get underneath. You don't want any of those clumps under there. Make sure there's no dips. That's where this clear comes in handy also, because if there's any imperfections, you can fill it in with the clear and makes it look better. Ready for top coat. I'm seeing little particles of something in there. So I'm not going to cure this yet. I'm going to place the beads on first so I don't have any clumps of clear gel popping out anywhere. I'm just going to put a few gems on. It wasn't actually my intention. It was kind of an afterthought to do a little bit more. So I think the baby boomer look is just pretty enough by itself, but the gems make it a lot more fun. There it is. Really pretty and really simple. Thank you for watching.